Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the cosrx, the Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizer. This product retails for $23. Very excited to see what a ceramide moisturizer looks like from cosrx. There are so many on the market. It has a great price point attached to it. There's a few specific things I'm looking for, but I will be doing a general comparison to some other ceramide moisturizers as well when conducting this review. I'm super excited to see how this moisturizer performs for me. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize ceramide NP, cholesterol, fatty acids, and vitamin B5 in this formula. The ingredient list is loaded down with so many great ingredients that looks to be wonderful for dry skin, at least on paper. You can check out the link in the description, goes to their website, or you can also check out the full ingredient list in the description as well. At least on paper, a lot of moisturizers with ingredients like this tend to be heavier on the skin, and they do also recommend this for drier skin types. I want to see what finish it leaves, if it breaks me out, if it causes any acne, and also what I notice it doing for my skin, both as a daytime moisturizer and at night, if I feel like I can use it for both of those. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. There's been a lot of ceramide moisturizers that I've tried, specifically B5 creams and panthenol creams. Purito B5 original cream kind of comes to mind, and their new Mighty Bamboo cream. And I did a spot test of it, and that's why I'm bringing this up, because it does feel very similar, at least on my wrist, to what the original B5 cream was. It's kind of this beautiful water cream texture that doesn't leave any finish, greasy finish at all on the skin. It just feels really nourishing. So I'm excited to put this on my face, see how it performs with my acne, with my redness. I'm just gonna take a little bit out and go in. Guys, I'm recovering from being sick and I need moisturization. My skin has been going through it. I mean, luckily now it's weird because it's at a time where the weather is getting more warm. So I am more oily. Being sick just really throws my skin for a loop. I can already tell off of the feel, it feels like a mixture between the new formulation of Purito's bamboo cream and the old one, because the old one was more of a water cream texture. It's definitely more leaning into water cream territory. Gives the nice no finish, like kinda, it's just like a water gel texture that a gel cream gives after it rubs into the skin. But whenever it comes to water creams, that's where the nourishment starts to kick in a little bit more, has a little bit more weight to it. That's what I feel like this really defines itself as, is a water cream, which is interesting because they advertise this for dry skin. Sensitive skin I could see for sure. Dry skin, we'll see. This may be all skin types, combination skin, because it doesn't really leave a heavy finish, at least initially. I will see how that wears. Oily skin, it may be a little bit heavy for that, but we'll just see. Only time will tell. I'm gonna continue using it. Feels nice so far. It's about all I can tell you. Pretty refreshing off the start too, but anyway, I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. They recommend this for dry and sensitive skin types. Sensitive, I can definitely see. Dry, I felt like was kind of shallow, because I personally feel like any skin type could benefit from a moisturizer like this. Comparing it to some of my favorite ceramide creams, which it's hard to because it feels very similar to some of the notable ones, such as the Elysium that I've tried, such as the Astura. A lot of things that I've noticed with those products is they typically retail for more expensive price points. That is different across the board because Korean skincare websites vary on different prices. But with this product specifically, I feel like it has a little bit more of a water gel cream style feel to it, especially considering the finish that it leaves more long term. Maybe a little bit more rich of a moisturizer at first, but once it fully absorbs into the skin, it feels like a water cream to me, at least. As someone with combination skin, this is the type of moisturizer that I typically look for. And comparing it to one of my favorite notable moisturizers, the Purito Mighty Bamboo Cream, which when it got reformulated, I didn't enjoy the new reformulation. I liked the B5 cream. I feel like that is the closest comparison to this product, and it lived up to the original formulation of the Purito B5 cream, which is amazing. I've been looking for a replacement for that original product since they did reformulate it. This formulation is amazing, utilizes great ingredients that personally worked for my acne prone skin, and also left a really nice, nourished, but not greasy finish to the skin. It's a very standard moisturizer, nothing too special about it. It has some really great standout ingredients, but the price point is pretty good on this product. I don't feel like it is a bad price point for how much I personally went through it. I don't feel like I'm gonna go through this product very quickly, so I would 100% recommend trying it. Ultimately, it worked well for my skin. It's hard to compare it to other moisturizers because I have tried a lot of ceramide creams that have worked really well. I liked this one specifically for the time where we're at right now, which is where the weather is a little bit more warm, when my skin is very combination. This was the perfectly balanced moisturizer for me. If you are more oily, you may want to go in with this just as a night cream if you feel like it's too heavy during the day. I personally didn't feel like it was. I personally found it was really balanced for all areas of my face. It was nourishing enough for my dry areas where they didn't feel tight, didn't feel like they were cracking, which I've had with some moisturizers that are not nourishing enough. But in my oily areas, I found it was not suffocating where I felt like it was way too much for my skin. I would ultimately recommend this. This is a wonderful formula in my opinion. I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.